non-veg thali. This tree is nice. You can see all the way, and it gives a nice shape for the road. I am planning to reach Marleshwar as early as possible, and then I need to, after visiting the falls, I need also to find a stay for the night. So let's see. I wanted to go there, but it doesn't look like this is the road. रूम मिलता है भैया? आप बाहर निकल रहे हो? Came to this place, but he said he is actually closing and he is leaving to his hometown. another one. It's in very bad shape. So I found this for, so I can always have my bike used. So I made a room here, Vanraee. The uncle is very nice. So his son is also biker, it seems. And he also told about a waterfall nearby. So I'll just go there. Thank you. This is brilliant. Guess what? It's raining. This is an unexpected rain. Unexpected. See the view. It's beautiful. There's some work going on, not sure what, but this is like amazing. Seems like only accessible for the resort people. This is scary. This is scary. I can't see anything. I think I should ride back now. This doesn't work. This doesn't work. I think I should ride back now. Man, that was crazy. I was like, shitting bricks. When I actually took the turn, the battery went off. I mean, battery died. So I was like, should I change the battery here? It was so dark. I was like, F the YouTube, F the video. I'm getting out of here. So I was just like, I didn't stop anywhere. I was just like rode back. It was so dark, so pitch dark. It was like in those movies, they show in scary movies. I was like, oh man. I mean, I rode in forest so far. I mean, I rode in several forests, but this is like the whole new level. It was so dark. Now you can see it's actually how bright it's here, but it's up there. I mean, I guess it's because of the fog as well. It was so fucking dark. It was like crazy. Oh, but that was super adrenaline though. I knew. Though it was dark, I was kept going. I was thinking that I'll just like cross that pass and getting down, but it didn't. It didn't. And then at one point, I thought it might be too late, and I might be like thinking too foolish. So I actually turned back and came. I'm not sure what's the name of the ghat though. I don't think that's Amba ghat. I'm not real sure because he told me to actually take a left and it will actually go to that dam. So after the dam I went up that forest. I thought it's going to get dark and it may not be possible, so probably I'll head towards hotel now. I'll see if I find anything peaceful out there. If not, then I'll directly head over to the hotel and stay the rest. You see, I think they were looking, so I'm not really used to it when actually people look at me. I'm very conscious about it, always talking to a camera. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm really doing this for you guys. I'm getting out of my comfort zone and actually trying to talk to a camera, in middle of nowhere. Yay, all fresh. Nice hot bath. How it got all white because of the wet socks. He said to use any of the bed, so I'm using the one which is near, so I can also look at my bike. My bike is parked over there. That's a German Shepherd. Look at this. Wow. It's really nice, uncle.
They are Oscars.
Okay.
The copper one is Oscar.
Oscar, okay.
White one is koi.
Koi, okay.
And the black one is
Black
a shark.
was shark. So he is up there, the German Shepherd. He's a watchdog and he watches over everything. Everything happens here. I mean, that's what he said. I actually thought it was already dark and that's why I came back, and now it seems like it's not getting dark yet. It's already almost, what's the time now? Almost 7 it is. I'm just going for a walk. Even for a walk, you'll get an amazing view. Maharashtra is everywhere it's like this, I guess. It's a green lawn and hills and clouds. Except the roads, everything is like superb nice. I think this is nice. If I have internet, I'll be on online all the time, checking messages and stuff, and mostly spending on Reddit. So here I am, better disconnected. Misal pav is my next favorite food. So This is the city I am staying. Small city, almost this much, but it's really nice. I don't know why, though it's not very clean, but I still like this place. It's raining. Seems like something is cooking in the kitchen. I could sit here and watch the rain. That's it for the night. And this food is actually cooking over there. So I asked them not to cook anything special, just like whatever they are cooking. So I'll have it for the night. We don't have any network today, so couldn't call home as well. I'll probably, I have informed them that I might be going to some locations where there is no network, so don't expect a call, so they should be fine. And tomorrow I'll inform. So tomorrow I'll be riding to Chiplun. First I'll go to Marleshwar Falls and then to Chiplun. So that's it for the today. See you guys in the next episode, I guess, or I don't know how it's going. I'm going to edit it, but yep. See you. Bye bye.